Pardon me.
What? What did you choke it all?
I don't know.
Not really.
Whoa.
Could die over there.
How much is left to it?
Feel.
What do you want?
Yummy.
Wow, Eric, give me
I
$2.
bet you that smells great.
$2. All right, Leroy.
Leroy.
Drink the rest of it now. Stop it now.
Let me group here.
You want
Give
it?
you the gas. Gas in my ass.